Hello YouTube! As I promised, let's create Python script which will help us to go through list of archives and extract all content from them. So let's check our targets, our backups, and they are in the same place where Python resides. They are backup 1, 2 and 3 obviously. So we're gonna need to import the zip file module to do our job, and let's see what we need from it. So every time when you want to mess around with zip files, you're gonna use this module, and especially in this script we're gonna need, and probably you're gonna need, you're gonna definitely need this, the class for reading and writing zip files. Please note Z and F uppercase, so we must respect that. And another thing we need is extract all. So extract all will help us to extract all, guess what? All members from the archive to the current working directory. If you don't specify path, but also you can specify path to somewhere else. We're gonna do that too in this example. So yeah, that's what we need. Let's define our targets as, backups. So that's a list of our files. Backups, what was it? Backup 1 zip, and let's copy paste it to save ourselves a little bit of time. So 3 and 2, and we are kind of good to go. Now what we're gonna use every time when we are going through list, we can use for loop. So for x and backups, we will create specific handle. I'm using the term handle, but you can use whatever that will describe actual operation. So handle or result or operation, whatever. So copy paste the name of file to activate zip file, and let's pass to them our targets, and they are represented by that abstract x. So now what? That's the one part of the equation. Another thing is handle dot, and let's use extract all now. So what will happen if we just pass x here? Can we get any kind of useful result? So let's see. So we have error. The system cannot find the path specified. So we need to specify path, because if we just say x, then we will basically mix results, and that will never work. So let's specify target path as a root of our drive. So c / and then plus x. Now let's see what's happening. So it seems like that Python did a job, but let's check actual results. And we have here folders and results. So that's fine, but it's a little bit counterintuitive to have folders with .zip extension. So how to solve that? Well, the easiest thing, if you're a beginner, if you're not good into string splitting, is to add something like unpacked to specify that it's, unpacked thing, but still we will have a zip into names. Okay, see? So that's not what we need. So let's briefly delete this. It will get the job done, but it's kind of ugly. So we're gonna use this option here, from 0 to -4. What that means? That means that we will split all these individual elements in such a way that only this will remain, and we will remove dot and zip. So we are counting from backward, 0, 1, 2 and 3, or you can imagine here some imaginary, well, of course, imaginary 0. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. You can think about that in that way. And now let's run our script. It seems like everything is fine, so let's check it. See, there you go. So we have results in it. Fine. That works. And it's kind of, I mean, it will get the job done. So that's cool. Now, another question. Is there any other way to not use minus here, because maybe some people don't like it? Well, yeah, now you can calculate positions from left side. So from 0 to 8 in this specific case will get the job done. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and imaginary 8. And let's run it again, but let me check if those files exist. Oh yeah, let's delete them. So we can have actual results after this operation. So no errors, fine. Let's go to root. And what the hell happened? Oh yeah. Yeah, yes, genius. Don't use minus symbol. I mean, it's range, but some people, if they're not in programming, they will create range in that way. But if you are a programmer, you're gonna use this symbol. Run module. Okay. See, there you go. So it will also get the job done. Nice. Now what? What if you wanna have those results in the same place where Python is? So let's use just X with positions, and let's see what's happening. Okay, you have your results. I mean, you can also specify full path to there, but you don't need to actually do that. It will still work. So anyway, that's about it. Almost 8 minutes tutorial. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscription, for support, and I hope that you are fine with my English, because sometimes I go into buffer overflows. Yeah. See you next tutorial.